Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course guys, I have another cool unboxing. And today, this unboxing or the product as you can see here is inside of this box. So what I'm going to do is going to open up the box. Now, the first thing I notice is that normally devices such as these, or what this is, doesn't come in a contained box like this. Kind of comes like it would be some sort of jewelry, but it's not. It's actually a electronic gadget, and this is what I'm going to be unboxing for you guys. So right away I'm just going to open it up, and you can see the box here. Just a nice presentation, and inside the true device can be found. And as you can see here, this is just a USB flash drive, but this is not just any plain old USB flash drive. This one was sent to me for review by the guys over at, and I'm just going to show you the logo right here. This product, the box or the packaging kind of makes it hard to see, but this one was from Tecnugiz, and you might remember that I did a unboxing of a DVD drive that they also produce. So let's just go ahead and check out this product right here. So right away guys, I'm going to remove the innards of the box, and you can see in the base you have the product itself, and it says Type C U disc. And of course you can see the general manual, and it's quite small, and it gives you a run through. You can actually pause to see what it's about. Now of course it gives some quick tips. We'll look at those in a while, and it says thank you as well. So let's just put this aside. And of course this is the product guys, and as I said guys, I want to thank the guys over at Tecnugiz for actually sending in this product for review, and I'm just going to check it out right now. And it has a bunch of features, and the first one I noticed guys is that it has some weight to it. It's not as light as a typical USB flash drive, and as you can see it's well designed. And the first thing you'll notice right out of the package is the logo, and it says Tecnugiz, and it says 32GB, and the 32GB here is the total size of the storage capacity of this drive. And you'll notice it's also made out of aluminum, and this is for a very durable finish. And of course it says that it's waterproof. I don't know how true that is, but of course that will be a nice touch if it's actually truly waterproof. And the fun thing about this is that you do get 3 devices in one, and of course right away you can see it is a USB 3.0, and that's the latest standard for very fast data transfer, so no long waiting for your files to transfer. And this will work with Mac as well as Windows PCs, and you can use this to just add and remove your data. And as you can see, the blue symbol here indicating it's USB 3.0. Next guys, you'll notice that it also has a area that can flip around, and once you rotate this right here, you'll hear once it flips. And this part right here right now, and let me take a close look, this is USB Type C, and this is for newer devices or any phone that support USB Type C. You can actually place this in, and you'll be able to do stuff such as transfer your pictures from your device over to this device. And if I go back guys around, it seems to do a 360 rotation. You could also remove a section up here, and let me see if I can figure this out. So I think it would be this section right here. Yeah, I'm correct. And once you do that, it would actually turn into a micro USB port, and that's for older phones or most regular Android phones. So overall it supports Mac as well as PC. Can also support a regular Android phone as well as a iPhone, and best of all newer devices such as the Samsung Galaxy S8, S9, Note 8, Note 9 and so on, that has a USB Type C. And I basically would like to describe this as being a sort of a transformer, as you can actually change between 3 different transformative modes, which is quite nice, which is different from the typical USB flash drive. And with 32GB you'll be able to store a lot of files and transfer very large files. But of course I assume that based on the information that's stored right here in this guide, that says it's 3-in-1. It just says notice to make sure your mobile with O3G function, format only to FAT32 for a mobile phone. It says here single file capacity more or less than 4 GB if you choose FAT32. So it's just telling you guys that if you're going to format it, make sure you watch the format, as some formats will not allow files above 4 GB, while other formats will allow files smaller than 4 GB. So that's going to affect the size of the file that's transferred. And if you know anything about file formats, you should be familiar already with that set of protocols as it relates to files. But overall, I like the general outlay. Next, I'm going to connect this to my smartphone, and I'm just going to get this right here. As you can see here, guys, I have my Samsung Galaxy S8, and right over here, as we said, we have the USB flash drive, and it's 32 gigs. So I'm just gonna rotate this around. Once I do that, guys, next I'm just gonna connect this to the phone, and you can check this out over on Amazon. They have a store, and that's the Tecnugiz store. And so I'm just gonna connect right away right now. Alright guys, now that we have connected the USB drive, what would have been nice though, I wish, is that it had a LED that could indicate when it was connected and working. But of course that's not present. But of course that's a slight oversight, considering you do get a aluminum housing, very durable design. And another claim is that if this were to fall, it's shock resistant. So if this were to fall, you do not have to really worry about it getting broken. Right? It does resist shock. And of course, guys, as you can see here, it says USB drive. Tap here to transfer media files. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap. And once you see here, it says my files, and it does say USB storage. And of course, it says on here a bunch of stuff, including it has been formatted. And you notice it says here, guys, my files, it says USB storage 1, Android, and it says last directory system volume. And this is just a basic format for whenever you connect a USB drive and the device is used to format the drive. So as you can see here, I could actually go through, but there should be nothing in here. But of course, if I wanted to, I could go to my gallery and I could transfer over my files over to the USB drive or to the USB flash drive. Now if I were to look at another device such as this one here, this would be what would be another Android device, and this is a micro USB port. And of course, as I said over here, my S8 has a USB type C port, and of course iPhones and so on are all supported. Overall, I like the way this flash drive is laid out. And of course, you could go in and you could browse this. If you do not see it pop up, what you could actually do is you could go over to your file explorer right down here. Let me just close this out, and once I'm in file explorer, you could go to my files, and of course you see it's the same thing. So if you wanted to go back, what you could do is just go back once more, and as you see here, it does show you here all the phone connected internal storage, my SD card that's in the phone, and you can still find that you can find the storage drive. And as you can see here, there's nothing on it, and as I told you, it's 32 GB, but of course some of it is reserved. So as you can see here, it is showing you 29.98 GB. So that's actually the USB flash drive, and that means that it's been read. And of course, if I wanted to, I could remove this and place this directly into my computer. So that allows for seamless data transfer between devices. So that's between Apple's iOS and Android operating system and Windows. So if you're thinking about getting something to easily back up your files or back up documents between your PC and your phone, this would be a great stand-in, as you can actually just plug it into one device and plug it into another. And this would make data transfer that much easier than a standard connecting a cable, reading the software, and then removing it, placing it on the PC, and then transferring it over onto the other device. So this can be a great means of basically getting a all-in-one solution that can solve your problem of backing up your files, and also of making sure that you are getting a hassle-free transfer between devices. As currently the drive is connected to the PC, and this is just to show you how easy it was to data transfer. And of course right now I have a picture on this that I have already pre-transferred, and I'll show you the picture. And the picture is this one right here, and it's in my gallery. And what I have done is connected the OTG USB flash drive onto the port. Once I did that, I basically transferred over the file. And of course right over here, guys, you'll see on the PC right here I have the file, and the file can be found in this folder. You'll notice the recognizable directories. I created a picture directory from the phone. Basically all I did was just to transfer it over, and currently it's being read from the drive. And as you can see here, guys, it hasn't been loaded up yet, but it should roll up in a second. There you go. And that is the said file that's on the Android phone over here, and it was easily transferred. Took probably just a minute to do all the files or move them around. Alright guys, so let me just wrap up this review. Alright guys, overall I like the Tecnugiz 32GB USB flash drive, or basically it is a 3-in-1 OTG USB flash drive that's basically compatible with your phone as well as your PC. It is the best of both worlds, as it gives you a lot of flexibility in transferring between a variety of environments that includes your phone, desktop, computer, or should I say laptop, and back and forth, or vice versa, especially across operating systems that can be very difficult. It does get a little warm when it's operating, but not hot. And of course it's made out of durable aluminum, meaning it can take a few drops without getting damaged. And of course it's flexible, it can be rotated around. Overall I like the attention to detail and the premium quality material that was placed into its design. I like that you can actually just go ahead and just simply mess around, and you can just do this and it transforms from USB 3.0 to USB micro USB, and with just a snap it will go back into place. You can actually flip this around for USB type C, and it's that simple. It's also waterproof, but I won't put it to the test, but I'm sure it will be good enough to survive most basic splashes. You can place this onto a keychain and it's quite nice. Guys, do check this out. Tecnugiz has this on over at Amazon. You can check them out. I'll do a full review over on the blog. I'll also have the link so you can purchase as well. And also please leave your questions or comments below. So this is Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips with another review of another great product that you can pick up quite easily, that's affordable and will save you a lot of time. Alright, Ricardo saying bye until next time, guys. Bye.